Okay, I just stumbled upon this project called Brimstone, a JavaScript engine built from scratch in Rust. How cool is that?
Wait, a JavaScript engine made entirely in Rust. That's really intriguing. What does it aim to support?
It's aiming for full support of the JavaScript language, like over 97% of ECMAScript, but they're still in the works, so not production ready yet.
Right, and it's built with minimal dependencies, except for ICU4X. That's interesting. Why did they choose that approach?
I think it's about control and performance. By building most components from scratch, they can optimize for their specific needs.
That makes sense, but doesn't that also mean more room for bugs? I mean, writing everything from scratch is a huge challenge.
Definitely, there's a risk of introducing errors, but they have heavy testing with integration test suites, like Test 262.
Oh, I see. So they're using a robust testing framework to ensure reliability. That's a smart move.
Exactly, they run unit and snapshot tests with simple cargo commands. It seems user-friendly too.
How user-friendly can it be if it's not ready for production yet? I mean, that's a big caveat.
True, but it's still fascinating for developers to play around with. It could serve educational purposes too.
Yeah, like learning about how engines actually work under the hood. But what about performance? How does it stack up?
It features a bytecode VM inspired by V8 and a compacting garbage collector. Performance could be promising.
But isn't using Rust a bit risky for such critical components? I mean, Rust is great, but also has a steep learning curve.
That's fair, it offers safety, but it's also challenging. Developers might need time to adapt.
And what about missing features? I saw shared array buffer and atomics are not included.
Right, those are significant for concurrency. Their absence might limit real-world applications.
Exactly. You can't ignore them, especially with the rise of multi-threading in JavaScript.
So it's a bit of a double-edged sword. It's exciting, but there are definitely limitations.
I get that. Still, pushing boundaries in JavaScript development is crucial. This could lead to innovations.
For sure, and it's a great example of how open-source projects can drive evolution in programming languages.
And with community involvement, the limitations might be addressed over time. That's encouraging.
Definitely, it feels like an adventure in programming, where every contribution can lead to significant progress.
That's the essence of open source, isn't it? Each iteration brings new possibilities.
Totally, but we should be cautious about how quickly we adopt it in production environments.
Absolutely. It's all about balance, embracing innovation while being mindful of stability.
Speaking of balance, I wonder how developers are prioritizing features versus optimization in Brimstone.
That's an interesting point. They may focus on implementing core features first before optimizing.
Right, so it's like building a solid foundation before adding the fancy stuff.
Exactly. And once they have a stable base, then they can refine performance and add missing features.
But let's not overlook the community aspect. Developers could suggest features or improvements.
True, community feedback can be invaluable for refining an engine like this.
And they might discover use cases that the original developers hadn't considered.
That's the beauty of collaboration. It fosters creativity and innovation in unexpected ways.
Exactly, I think as Brimstone evolves, it could spark a new wave of JavaScript engines.
And it raises questions about how we perceive language evolution, right?
Totally, it's a reminder that programming languages can adapt and grow with community input.
So what's the takeaway here? Embrace innovation but proceed with caution.
Yeah, and actively participate in shaping the future. We all have a role in it.
That's a powerful thought. What if every developer contributed their insights?
We end up with a richer ecosystem. It's exciting to think about.
For sure. I can't wait to see how Brimstone develops and what it means for JavaScript.
Same here, it's like a tech journey unfolding right before us.
And who knows, Brimstone might set a new standard for future engines.
But for now, it's a fascinating experiment in the realm of programming languages.
Absolutely. Let's keep an eye on it and see where it leads.